Hey guys, Crash here. I had a great idea, so I wanted to test it out, and well, let's get right into it. Some wireless charging for your PS Vita. So what I did was I picked up a wireless charging kit, which came with this little guy here, and one of these little guys. USB micro cable, and I had a little extension port here that I'm going to use for testing. After the video, I ended up breaking off the little connector piece inside my USB adapter here, so that might be something to keep in mind. I did order one of those PS Vita to micro USB adapters, but if you notice, I don't know if you can see it in here, probably can't, but it actually is charging. I'll turn it off and so you can see the orange light, and I'll let it do that several times. So one of the only things that I'm worried about is heat. So I'll add a little Kevlar tape to the back of this, and hopefully that will stop the heat on the touchpad. Other than that, I'm just did a little test here, and it seems to be working great. Once I get my adapters in and everything, this will be a nice little mod. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated on everything. Game on.